Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Tradovate to ATAS. First, download and install the latest version of ATAS from the official website. It's always recommended to use the most recent version to avoid compatibility issues. Once installation is complete, open the platform and log in to your ATAS account using your registered credentials. After logging in, go to the top menu and click on Connections. From there, select Add Connection. A list of available data and brokerage connections will appear. Choose Tradovate from the list. Now, you'll need to enter your Tradovate login details. Carefully type your Tradovate username and password. Below the login fields, you must choose the correct server. This step is very important. If you are using a simulation or evaluation account, select Demo. If you are trading on funded or real account, select Live. After entering your credentials and selecting the correct server, click Continue. If everything is entered correctly, the connection status should change to Connected. You should now see your Tradovate account is listed in the Account drop-down menu inside ATAS. Your account balance should also be visible. If the balance does not appear or the status does not show connected, simply disconnect and reconnect. In most cases, this refresh fixes the issue. Also, double-check that you selected the correct server type and entered the correct login details. Once connected successfully, you're ready to open charts and trade. Click New Chart inside the ATAS. Inside the instrument you want to trade, select the instrument you want to trade such as MAS, NQ, ES, or any other available futures contract. In the order panel, make sure your Tradovate account is selected from the account drop-down list. Now, you are fully connected and ready to trade through ATAS using your Tradovate account. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.